tutti, welcome back everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare the most famous Italian dessert, the tiramisù. Today I will show you how to make tiramisù pasteurizing your egg yolk with the pata bomb method. Pata bomb is one of the base of many recipes, like mousse and semifreddo. You can skip this process if you have pasteurized yolks or very fresh eggs. You will just have to whip the yolks with the sugar without the water, without changing the recipe. Let's start putting the water with the sugar in a pan and the egg yolk in the mixing machine. While our eggs are whipping, let's prepare our syrup. We need to bring our syrup to 121 degrees. Everybody said to you that you need a thermometer, but it's not true. I'm gonna show you how to check it.
As you can see now, the bubbles are big and they explode very fast. That's because our syrup is still very liquid. As you can see, after a few minutes the bubbles are very small and they explode very slowly. The reason behind is that now our syrup gets the right density.
Now that our pata bomb is ready, let's prepare our mascarpone. Let's go to beat our mascarpone cheese in a mixing machine or with electric whisk, but not to whip it, but to have the same texture of our pata bomb. Let's combine them and create our tiramisu cream. Let's build our tiramisu. I made myself the ladyfinger or the savoiardi, that you can find my recipe over here, otherwise you can buy them. So now let's get crazy with the cocoa powder and let's eat our tiramisu. So guys, if you like my video, push my small face, little face, round face, I don't know how to call it. And you can find my other recipe over here. So give us a like, comment, and let me know what you think.